Organizers of a demonstration outside a women's center in Madison say the protest they planned peacefully turned into an altercation. A group of demonstrators dressed as characters from the Hulu series The Handmaid's Tale this morning to call attention to Access Women's Center. The members of the Madison chapter of the National Organization of Women say the center is misleading women.
Access Women's Center is one of several centers in Madison that use deceptive tactics to lure women through their doors, implying that they can provide medical services when they don't provide any medical care whatsoever.
Organizers say a few demonstrators were hurt by what they described as a counter-protester, though Madison police could not confirm this. We caught up with the Access Women's Center at a fundraiser in Sun Prairie about this demonstration.
We believe all of our information is valid. Everybody kind of chooses what they're going to believe or not believe, but we mean no harm. We tell the truth.
Access Women's Center is a Christian-based nonprofit pregnancy care center. Officials say they aim to help all women in need, regardless of their faith. A consumer alert tonight, a recall of millions of fire extinguishers after hundreds of reports of failure and at least one death. 134 Kitty models sold in red, white, and silver are included in the recall of 40.5 million extinguishers. All of them from January 1st, 1973 through August 17th, 2017 are being recalled. Visit our web channel, WKOW.com, for more details. The Madison Area Police and Fire Charity Ball took center stage tonight at Monona Terrace in Madison. This event raises money for the Wisconsin Women's Health Foundation, Susan G. Komen, and breast cancer recovery. This is the third year of the event, and Amber Noggle was there to MC. Kids had a chance to share their Halloween hauls around the world today. Unity Point Health Meriter hosted its annual Halloween candy trade-in party. The American Heart Association says the average 8-year-old eats 21 teaspoons of sugar every day. So the program aims to teach kids to enjoy treats responsibly.
We first started doing this event about 4 or 5 years ago, just in an attempt to maybe give kids some healthy options, because you get so much candy at Halloween, and we're not saying don't eat your Halloween candy. It's certainly fine to have some, but most kids get so much.
This candy is sent to troops overseas through a program called Operation Gratitude, sending 100,000 care packages every year.
Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Severus.
We get an extra hour of sleep tonight to burn off some of that candy because we're turning the clocks back as daylight saving time comes to an end. So make sure you do that before heading to bed tonight, or if you have a smart device, it'll probably do it on its own. Other things we want you to keep in mind tonight, make sure you change the smoke detector batteries and check the carbon monoxide detector. So press the button on it and it should go off. If you've had your carbon monoxide detector for more than 5 years, time to get a new one. Every 5 years, that's when we trade those out. So the sunset this evening was at 5:46. Tomorrow, 4:45 in the afternoon. So we do, again, kind of weigh the pros and cons here. Extra sleep, but earlier sunsets. The other big weather story this evening is the dense fog advisory going for areas south and east of Dane County until 6 o'clock tomorrow. That's for visibility of less than a quarter mile expected at times. So if you are driving around tonight or early in the morning on Sunday, slow down and increase your distance between vehicles. Where's the fog thickest right now? Well, where we have the advisories, down to the south and east. Watertown down to a half mile, down into Janesville as well, and we're up to 3 miles right now in Monroe. The time-lapse view on the understory camera showing the lowering of those clouds as we headed throughout the evening. We get more humid, the temperature has met the dew point, and that's what's allowing the fog to form, and you can see that clearly as we look over the Capitol. How about that 4-degree guarantee? Well, we thought it was going to get a couple degrees warmer, but still in the realm of possibilities. Tomorrow, seasonable. We'll get to right around 50 degrees. Your cash pot is at $216 now. Temperatures across the board, low and mid-40s. That's where we'll stay pretty much for the next several hours. I think we bottom out in the low to mid-40s, and that's because we have the fog that's going to keep things moderated when it comes to those temperatures. And early tomorrow morning, especially west of Madison, a few showers are going to be working their way into our region, and you can see the line of moisture. Snow on the cold side, rain on the warm side. We're just going to get good old-fashioned rainfall out of this one. But again, only a few showers expected for your Sunday. The main energy is going to be down to the south. So mist and fog for now. Here comes that cold front rolling into the region. That'll spark off a few showers, generally earlier in the day rather than later. The severe threat, which we were talking about possibly being here locally, is going to stay well south of our region towards parts of central parts of Illinois and Indiana. Locally, just a few local showers are going to move on through. That's pretty much it early tomorrow, and then we'll start to thin the clouds out right around sundown. 42 tonight, steady temps, set those clocks back an hour. We have dense fog to contend with south and east of Madison. 50 tomorrow, light few showers are expected, and winds will shift out of the north-northwest at 5 to 10. Your 7-day forecast has a cooling trend. Low 40s for the first half of the work week. Every overnight temperature beyond tonight will be below freezing, and then as we round out the work week, only in the 30s for highs. By Veterans Day, looking gloomy with a few mixed showers possible. So overall, a cool outlook here. Tomorrow looking pretty nice, though it will be dreary. Gray skies most of the day.
It'll be good to get that extra hour sleep.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
All right, we'll be right back.
A bit of a roller coaster day leads to a big Badger win in Bloomington. Hear what the players had to say after today's victory.